Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another scenario for Qshell command where we will use grep command in order to search for a pattern throughout the directory. Okay, so if you remember in our previous sessions also like we discussed about the grep command, but there we used grep command in one session for the for searching the pattern in a specific file. Then in second session we discussed the process to search for a specific pattern in multiple files, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same where we are going to see how we can use the grep command in order to search for all the files and directories present in a specific directory. Now, if you don't know what is directory, directory is nothing but a folder where we can store multiple files and subdirectories, right? So if there is a need where we want to check all the files and directories, all the files present in the directory for a specific pattern, then in that case we can utilize the grep command. So this thing we are going to discuss today. So how we are going to proceed with the session? First of all, I'll tell you how what all test files and data we have prepared and on which files and directories we are going to perform this operation. And post that we will execute some commands using Qshell command and we'll see how the data is coming. Okay. And at last we will discuss the same process, how to utilize the same process with the help of clle program. So let's start the process. So for that I'm just quickly opening my command prompt by writing the qsh command here. So simply write qsh then press enter, and here we are supposed to provide the command. So in my case I'll put the command like uh, okay, let's go back. As I told you that we should know first the demo data, so for that you just need to write work lnk. Now if I hit enter, here I have already created one directory. As I told you, like we have already discussed how to create directory and all, so this is the directory which is present in my slash home slash Sharmit location, and if I directory name is double hash. And if I take option 5 here, it will show all the files which is presented in this directory. So you can see abc.txt is there, mrt.txt is here, xyz.txt is here. So these are the three files which is present in my library. Now what I will do, I'll take simply option 5 here in one of the file, and here you can see abc demo from abc file. So these two lines I have noted down in this text file. Why I have written like this? Because when we print the data, so it should show that yes, this is the message coming from this file, although it lists down the file name also in the output, but still just for your clarity purpose I note like this, demo from abc file. Okay, so this is my first file, you can see the location as well. And then if I take F3 here and show you the another file which is mrt.txt, so it is written like this, demo, but from demo from mrt, but here the demo is in capital letters. So if you are searching for a small demo, then this data will not be populated. Why? Because this command is case sensitive, so it will look only for the small demo, not for the capital demo. Even if you are writing the capital DEMO, then also it will not find, because our search pattern is DEMO. So this thing we have already discussed many times, that this is a case sensitive command, grep command. So you have to put exactly what you are looking for, because here capital A is different from small a or likewise. Okay. So yeah, this is the text present in the second library. Now I'll show you the second third sorry in the second file. Now I'll show you the third file, which is this demo from xyz file. So this data is coming from the third file, which is xyz file. Okay. All right, so now what we are supposed to do, we are going to use this directory and all these files for searching a specific pattern. Now there might be one question, like we have three files, we can directly run the grep command with three files, as we saw in the last session how to use the grep command for multiple files, right? But no, at the moment we have only three files, but in project there might be hundreds of files or 20s or more than 30, right? So in this situation we should know about this command which we are going to discuss today, because with this single command you can check all the file at one go. So let's start with the session. So for that you just need to write now qsh. Now here you can run the command which we use to fetch the data. So here I'm writing grep space hyphen r. Now what is hyphen r? Recursively. Or okay, let me firstly write it normally and then I'll show you what is hyphen r. So I will write grep, my searching pattern is small demo, then a space, and I'll put my directory location, which is slash home slash Sharmit slash abc dot not abc, we are looking for the directory, so double hash. So this is my path from where I'm for which I am looking for the files for a pattern, which is this demo. So this is command, grep is command, demo is pattern, and this is my path. But this thing will not work. Why? Because you are trying to use this command on directory, and in case of directory we should always, okay, let me hit enter here. Once I hit enter, you can see it is showing nothing, because we have to look at if if in this directory if there is any text written there, then means if it was file, then it might look for the data. But right now we are using for directory, so in directory case we should use this option hyphen r. Now what is hyphen r? Hyphen r means recursively, so it will check for data in all the files recursively, one by one likewise. Okay, so that's why we are using this hyphen r with this searching pattern. As I told you that if you don't know about the meaning of directory, then it is nothing but a folder where we have stored all the files and subdirectories. It could also hold subdirectories, right? So simply hitting enter. Once I hit enter, you can see it populate two lines from two files. File name, so this is the file name and extension, then colon, and then the actual line where this demo occur. So you can see first, although we have also written in the text like demo from abc file, but if it is not written, then also we can see the file name from here. Okay, so I just add this text so that it would be more clear for you. So abc.txt equal colon demo from abc file, xyz.txt demo from xyz file. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this grep command for now you can see we have just only hit one single command and it fetches all the data. Okay, previously we were using multiple files, so in that case we are using the multiple files with a command. So that is not the correct approach, because in project there might be hundreds of files, so we are not supposed to write each and everything again and again, right? All right, so now what we will do, we will see one more thing, like if I search for capital demo, so in this case it will look for only that particular file which hold this data, and this file is mrd.txt, because only this file contains demo in capital. If we are talking about small, then it is this, otherwise it is this. Okay, now there might be one question like what will happen if I search for a text which is not present here. So let's search for double op or anything, double op, it is not present in any of my files. So if I hit enter, it will give nothing. Why? Because there is no matching record available in any of the files, so that's why it is nothing, it is returning nothing. Simply dollar means you can prompt another command. Okay, so it is clear, like rules are same as grep command, because although we are using the grep command itself, so just need to put hyphen r in order to read the directory recursively. So r means recursively. Okay, so yeah, I think now you are comfortable with this command. Now it's time to look into the cl program, like how we can utilize the same in cll program. So I have already created one program, let me walk you through this. So in this program is for searching the keyword using hyphen r grep command. First of all, we are supposed to declare the variable. So for that I'm writing dcell, then taking F4, variable name, type, storage, length, then simply hit enter. So what it will do, it will declare the variable with name command. If you don't know the basic, then I request you to go and check out the previous session, because there we have discussed about each and everything in detail. Fine, for time being we are just focusing on the Qshell command. Then we are supposed to put the command which is in the variable. So just simply write chgvar change variable command, put your variable name command. So this is how you will write the command. Just make sure that you are writing it correct, so better to check before directly writing here. Just check in the Qshell, and once it is working, then simply copy paste here. Once you hit enter, it will automatically add this plus, because we are changing the line, so it will work as expected. Okay, so you can take you can make a habit to take F4 and write command here, and then accordingly it will set your plus. Fine. After that, we are supposed to run the command. So for that, I'm writing strqsh, taking F4, providing the variable name, and simply hitting enter. So program is ready. So this command, line number 18, will execute the command and show us the output. So let's quickly check the program, compiling it, calling it. You can see it print two line abc.txt, xyz.txt. So this is how we are getting the data as expected and in a single command. We are not running for multiple commands. Okay. So yeah, so this is the thing which we have learned here in this session. Mainly we discuss how we can utilize the grep command in order to search the data for entire how to search for the specific pattern in entire directory using -r recursively grep command. So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.